How to register for Lloyds Bank mobile banking account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Lloyds Online Banking. Head over to the very first site, Banking Online. It will land you on this interface. Right here, tap on Login at the top right corner and then tap on Register right here. You will be landing on this interface. Scroll all the way down and tap on Register here. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to create an account. You need to enter some of your information right here. So the very first thing you need to enter is your first name and then your last name. Enter your date of birth and then enter your email address. Well, if you live in UK, tap on yes, otherwise tap on no. And then select your account type. Once you have selected, enter the sort code and your account number. Once you are done filling up all of the information, right here tap on this checkbox. Now once you tap on continue, your account for Lloyds Bank will be registered successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.